has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:04 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles north of Delaware Grace to 28 nautical miles northwest of Gunpowder River, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. This cluster of thunderstorms has a history of producing a wind gust of 41 knots at Harrisburg International Airport in Pennsylvania. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Wharton Point, Spessarty Island, Aberdeen Proving Ground, and Delaware Grace. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Severe thunderstorm warning for south central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Collegeville, or 16 miles northeast of West Chester, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Norristown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Conshohocken, Collegeville, Narberth, Trapp, Morris Park, Germantown, Bryn Mawr, Trout Lake, Radnor Township, Valley Forge, Brumel, Plymouth Meeting, Chestnut Hill, King of Prussia, and Drexel Hill. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 323 and 334. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 339. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 6 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Reading, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, impact, minor damage to vehicles possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, City Spring, Laureldale, New Morgan, Spring Ridge, Shillington, West Reading, Mount Penn, Boston, Kenhorst, St. Lawrence, Wyomissing Hills, West Lawn, Loran, Reefen, Amity Gardens, Whitfield, and West Wyomissing. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 299. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 5:15 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles south of Woodland Beach, or 10 nautical miles northwest of Bowers Beach, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Brown Shoal Light, 14-foot Bag Light, Slaughter Beach, Bowers Beach, Miami Light, Brandywine Shoal Light, and Cross Ledge Light. Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, up 20 nautical miles until 5:45 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from East Point to near Slaughter Beach, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Brown Shoal Light, Buoy 3FB, 14-foot Bag Light, Cape Henlopen, East Point, Rehoboth Beach, Cape May Point, Brandywine Shoal Light, Wildwood, Overfalls Shoal, Cape May Reef, Buoy 2 milliseconds, Wildwood Reef, and Seal City. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.